Hi friends, good morning. In the last lecture, you come to know what is meant by power diode, how will be the construction of power diode, and how the operation and characteristics of the power diode. In this session, we are going to learn what are the different types of power diode through the activity in Gnoomio. Those who have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe. Let's see the activity. In this course, if you go to that activity under this module 1, scroll down and go to this activity 1.5, that is types of power diode activity as interactive book. So the instruction is very clear. This interactive book will help you to understand different power diodes and their basic characteristics and applications. You are advised to review the interactive book and answer the questions wherever you are asked. If you are mistaken, repeat the notes and attend to the one correct one and then move to the next section of the book. For the doubts, you can watch the session 7. I will upload this video here so that you can understand if you have any doubts. So this above this I will upload the video. Let us go to the activity. Just click on it. So this again the same content is mentioned here, so you no need to worry. So it is mentioned additional information about the power diode. You click on this additional information about the power diode. There is having 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. You have to go through these 4 pages and some questionnaires will come. You have to be answering. First, let's see about the types of power diode. The power diodes are classified as three types: general purpose diode, fast recovery diode and short key diode. Okay, so first one was over. Then from this you will understand three types of diode: general purpose diode, fast recovery diode and short key diode. Then go to the next page about the general purpose diode. So it has high recovery time of about 25 microseconds. In the previous lecture you come to know what is means by reverse recovery time. The time period at which the anode current goes to below 0 and return back to again 0 in between the time period. That time period is called as reverse recovery time. Then voltage rating is from 50 volt to 505 kilovolt. So the general purpose diode have high recovery time of about 25 microseconds. So the recovery time is more, so you cannot switch on switch off immediately. Switching frequency we have to um, reduce for this general purpose diode. Then voltage rating is from so I cannot say here the switching frequency, operating frequency I can say. Then voltage rating is from 50 volt to around 5 kilowatt and current rating is between 1 amps to several thousand amps. So the application of general purpose diode, first application, one hint is here. Currently majority research is going on in this application. The application is very much close to our daily life. Then due to that, in the year 2040, the majority of the fuel station will convert to this type of energy supply. I hope you understand which one it is, right? Then due to this energy supply, our environment will clean, noise and pollution free. So if you want to see the answer, turn this image, you will get battery charging. So one of the application of general purpose diode is battery charging, whether it may be electric vehicle or this electric vehicle or your mobile charging, everywhere commonly battery charging. Then we can move to the next activity. Click on it. The second applications activity will help you to understand the application. The second application is see the figure and find the answer. I hope you understand what application it is. Right? Yes, that is electric traction. Then first one was battery charging, second one is electric traction. Then third one, this it is very easy to find out. This application is, see the figure and find the answer. So if you turn it, you will come to know welding, right? So this are, then fourth application is, what is this? I hope you understand. You can see in nowadays in our home also it is available. What it is? Even with the help of only I am presenting now. So that is called as uninterrupted power supply, UPS. Uninterrupted power supply also we will require. So if you want to retry, you can retry once again from the starting. Then you can finish this all activities, then move to the second page. That means again we are coming to about fast recovery diode. The fast recovery diode, it has low recovery time of about 5 microseconds and less. The recovery time is very less. So voltage rating is from 50 volt to around 3 kilovolt. Current rating is between 1 amps to several thousand amps. So previous cases, if you see, there is the general purpose diode is having that switching, the voltage rating is 50 volt to 5 kilovolt, but fast recovery diode is having the rating of 50 volt to 3 kilovolt. Then current rating was more or less same. The following are the applications of fast recovery diode. You can see this in the in the in the in your computer also. You can see this box, what it is. If you want to know what it is, just to move the cursor near to this, you can come to know SMPS, that's called switch mode power supply. So this is the one of the application. So the second slide, if you move here, this is the circuit normally used to switch off the thyristor. Thyristor, or we will call it a silicon controlled rectifier. When we study that types of switches, we come to know. So this is the symbol of thyristor. So switching off the thyristor with this diode is very much helpful. So for that purpose, this fast recovery diode will be there. The switching of the thyristor, normally if you move this cursor, you will come to know commutation circuits, which helps to switch off silicon controlled rectifier. For this purpose, we will use this diode. This is called as commutation, class D commutation as well. You will come to know what it is. Then then one more activity is there. You can move this next point. You will come to know this box. This is everywhere it is available. What is this box? You can go the cursor near to this. DC to DC converter. DC supply will be there. We will convert it to variable DC. For converting their purpose and all, we require this diode, this type of fast recovery diode. Now we finished all this activity of first one finished. So that's why you can see the dot color has changed. The last one is about Schottky diode. You can click here, or otherwise either move to this next activity. So now about the Schottky diode. Construction and characteristics of the Schottky diodes. It use metal to semiconductor junction. So previously we know P-type semiconductor, N-type semiconductor connect together. But in Schottky diode, we will connect metal, especially aluminum is the metal. So that metal you will be used, and the semiconductor will be the silicon. Those semiconductor will be the N-type material. So N-type silicon semiconductor will be connected with the aluminum. As this is metal is used, there is not having any holes at all. So the conduction is due to only the electrons of the N-type semiconductor only. As there is no holes, already in our previous lecture we come to know how the reverse recovery time is increasing, right? Why? Due to the discharging of all the energy stored in the depletion layer. So stored energy in the semiconductor has to be removed. Till that the recovery time will increase, right? So as there is no holes at all, the recovery time is very less. As there is no holes, only the electrons only. Hence, the Schottky diodes can switch off faster than the PN junction diode. Why? When we switched off, there is no recovery time at all. It will immediately fastly switch off. So that's why this switching this diode is switching. A Schottky diode can switch off faster than the PN junction diode. If you have any doubts, please go through the previous lecture. You come to know there is having a reverse recovery characteristics. So the reverse recovery characteristics will not be there. It will be very less for in the Schottky diode. Then comparison between PN junction diode with the Schottky diode. The Schottky diode has low cut-in voltage. Already we know once the voltage reaches the cut-in, then diode will start to conduct. So the cut-in voltage of the Schottky diode is very less. Then high reverse leakage current. So that during the reverse bias also little bit leakage current will flow. So the high reverse leakage current will be more, and high operating frequency. Why high operating frequency? Switching time, that reverse recovery time is reduced. Therefore we can switch off and switch on very fast. So that's why high operating frequency. Then reverse voltage rating limited to above 100 voltage, and forward current rating is between 1 amps to 300 amps. Okay, so the applications are high frequency instrumentation and switching power supplies. So switching power supplies will be used normally here, this Schottky diode. So otherwise we will call it a switched mode power supply also. Switched power supply also we will use this. Then Schottky diode reverse recovery time is nearly zero. Whether true or false. Already I told you reverse recovery time is very less. Yes, it is true. So if you check this answer, good, you are correct. As a metal is used, there is no holes and hence there is no possibility of storing the energy. It implies reverse recovery time is 0. So if suppose if you select the wrong answer, I will try with after that, I will let you know. So fill in the missing words. Schottky diode can switch off dash than PN junctions diode, usually faster than. Check this answer, so you will get the 1 point. Then Schottky diode has high operating frequency, low operating frequency, medium operating frequency. It has high operating frequency. Check the answer. It will become yes. The feedback will also get good. You are correct. As switching time of Schottky diode is less, high operating frequency is possible. So if suppose if you find the wrong answer, for example, if you go and if you instead of true, if you select the wrong answer, if you check it, you will be get the direction. You are wrong. Go through the above details once again. As the material is used, again this answer is mentioned very clearly. So you can check the solution also. It will give you the correct answer as well. Then fill in the blanks also. If you slower, if you mention, automatically it will give you the wrong answer. Solution will be the faster. Similarly, Schottky diode, if you choose low operating frequency, the wrong answer, you will get you are wrong. Go through the content once again. The command will come. The solution will be given high operating frequency. So like that, you should finish all the activity. So from this activity, you will understand what is the Schottky diode and what is meant by general purpose diode and what is meant by fast recovery diode. One more thing I forgot to tell. After finishing all multiple choice question, after finish it, go to the summary and submit, where you can find the report and how much that activity. Since some of the things I made it wrong, so I didn't try for again the correct answer. So submit the report and maybe you can restart also if you want to do again, and you make it complete. All the answers are you have mentioned correctly, not wrong. So if you mention all correct answer, you will get this total score out of 3. So you have to be ensure it, and whether you learn it properly and you ensure we entered all the answers are correct, then you submit the report. So your answer are submitted. So like that you have to 2. Hi friends, I hope you have enjoyed the learning through the interactive book. From this from this lecture and this activity, we come to know entire power diode, their characteristics, ideal characteristics, construction, working, everything. Also the types of power diode. Then under types of power diode, general purpose diode, fast recovery diode, Schottky diode. Then you enjoyed the learning by doing this activity. Those who have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe. We will see in the next class. Wish you all the best. Thank you.